How you doing, guys? Justin Costello coming to you from the Sea Ray Super Center here at MarineMax Pompano Beach, Florida. Showing you a brand new 2020 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard, black hull sides, and the new stone interior. We got an upgraded interior package in this. I'll show you. It's equipped with the 150 Mercury 4-stroke. Comes with the trailer that you see. First, we start with a nice port side walk-through, storage in the floor, nice wide open cockpit, sun pad, that new gray interior. There's also the upgrades I was telling you inside. We have the LED light package, which gives you light strips, and all the cup holders have blue LED lights in them. 2 captain's chairs, black bimini top. Got the black and gray color motif going on here, and looks great. It's got a GPS system on it and a depth finder as well. Fusion stereo system with Bluetooth control. Glove box. Lots of storage. Grab handles everywhere. Really easy boat. Great boat for South Florida. You can fit up to 12 people on this boat. And where the motor would have been is turning now into a big storage locker. So you can fit all your water toys, extra coolers, suitcases, luggage if you want to go away on a little staycation or a trip. Again, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. You can give me a call if you want to get aboard this boat or any others that we have here. 954-633-2070.